What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. Today video is basically me letting y'all see what my third brake light does now that my son got it working, and to give y'all a little update of it, how dirty the truck is.
Dad, Anthony's back wheel just lifted up when he parked.
I know he hit his brakes, but yeah, we extra dirty. Ollie. Just out here having a little fun. Dang, spinning, doing donuts. Oh gosh. So, but yeah, we definitely muddy. We did some off-roading yesterday.
Oh, dang.
Not serious off-road.
Dang.
Yeah, we got a tree. Yeah, you be careful. Be careful.
Yeah. We dirty as hell. Definitely. Went through the mud yesterday, for real. Definitely went a little off-road. Nothing real heavy. We still working on that. Like I told y'all, I still got frame working. Yeah. Off-roading. And we lost the LED underglow on this side. It would have been nice to do it with the underglows on, but we still intact though. You see that wire hanging? It's the wire hanging right there. Evidently we lost that wire, so I gotta replace it. Sucks. Yeah, the whole wire came out. You can see it's hooked up still to the thing. Strip just came off. But all in all, a good day. We definitely muddy though. We ain't kicked it. Stay out the street.
See it? I'm speaking that way. I'm so sorry.
It's working. Just push the brake. The center one. Got the eggs. Yes, sir. Yep. So, I didn't ask you to fucking start it. So we got the brake light, but we don't have cargo light. So, that being said, kids out here getting it in, washing the big black Ram for me. You gotta hurry up. It's got water. You don't want to run out. Oh, yeah.
Gotta get the top.
Yeah, I'm gonna go across this window real quick. Thank you, Trent. Thank you, Trent.
Watch out, Sean.
All right.
Don't go too close, you just take the paint right off. I don't want to spray him, that's why.
Oh, you good, bro?
You have your phone, so.
Yeah, you good. I'm recording all of it. Don't get another one.
Can I get the window? Can I get the window?
The front window? Yes, go ahead and get the front window, Trent.
What? Hold closer.
Come on, pull it.
Hey!
What?
You rinse off tire, Trent. Ain't perfect, but we got it done. It ain't muddy no more. Cause she was the big muddy ram for a minute. But that's how they supposed to look.
Or do you mean Big Money Dodge?
Big muddy Dodge Ram. Look
Would you like
good.
to sit
Go
up?
ahead, Trent.
Thank you.
Go ahead, rinse it off.
Hey,
we
Dad,
should
would you
be
like to
done.
sip? It's really cold.
I'll give you a couple hours later on my mom with the car. Good job, Mama. Thank you. All right. Yeah. Did I rinse off the? Sorry about that. Don't turn it on while it's in there. Time for a new fresh paint job. All
Peter,
that
would you
good
like
stuff.
a sip?
Nah, I'm good. Oh. Time to get the back open. So much dirt still.
Hey, hold up, I want to grab something real quick.
Go ahead.
Skateboard.
No. More things in store for my truck, so I hope you guys stay tuned because, like I said, Smoking Metal Car Fun is all about the cars and it's all about the fun. So, quite sure everybody who tunes in possibly have a car. So, even if you don't have a car, still find out a way to get out and have some fun. So, with that being said, it's your boy CeeLo